Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Is this really the once-in-the-lifetime opportunity for average Joe? Something which people shouldn't miss? Question mark. And why I would like to discuss this topic, I'm going to show you in the second what I mean. Then the second thing I would like to talk about, that Bitcoin reaches 50% market dominance for the first time in 2 years, which means now more and more investors shifting towards Bitcoin. And the third news is all about that Binance's BNB chain introduces a layer 2 testnet powered by optimism, because they believe that this can be great for BNB chain and help scalability. So let's discuss that as well. So don't forget, every single day I'm making for you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date, and you can then stay up to date in blockchain, crypto. You know, we dig a little bit deeper, look behind the scenes, looking economy and all these kind of things. So if you're interested, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also, if you like this kind of content, do not forget to hit the like button. Highly appreciated. And now let's do it. Okay, and for start, let's have a look at the market. So we see where we are right now. So Bitcoin is up 1.6% in the last 24 hours, which makes Bitcoin price $26,856. Then we have Ethereum up 0.4%, $1,732. When we're looking at top gainers, stacks up 11%, Optimism up more than 6%, Dash about 6%. Among the losers, Flare down 3.5%, BitTorrent about 3%, and KuCoin token about 2.3%. So not too big, and dumps for sure. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart on the daily, we can see that the falling wedge is still working out. Actually, we are rejected exactly at this trend line. But if we break through, so we break through this one and also then this magical 27,200-ish, then 28,000 could be easily the next step. So this is what I'm watching right now. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about, let's talk about the scenario that if that plays out, that this could be really a once-in-the-lifetime opportunity for the average people. What I mean, I tell you in a sec. Okay, so I found this one on Twitter, and let's discuss it a little bit. So, BlackRock tells SEC to FUD crypto. Let's talk about this. Maybe this is what happened, okay? Then crypto dips. This is what we have seen. Then BlackRock buys Bitcoin, because this is what they're probably doing now. Then BlackRock, now applied, and then when they get the approval, launch the Bitcoin spot ETF. Then, guess what? Maybe SEC magically eases off. Really, it can happen. Pension funds allocated to BlackRock. Then is the Bitcoin halving in the first part of next year. Then we have Bitcoin pumps into QE plus rate cuts, because, quantitative easing going to start, and then, rate cuts and the liquid markets, stock market, Bitcoin, this all can then go up. Then we have between June, November, somewhere in 2025, the Bitcoin all-time high. Could this play out like this? Could this be the roadmap for the next couple of years? And actually, yes, it is possible in my opinion. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. But now let's move on to the step further. So if BlackRock gets the approval for the Bitcoin spot ETF, they are the biggest asset manager in the world. We're talking about assets managed in amount of $10 trillion. Guess what? Then probably the next big guys also going to line up. And we have Vanguard, more than $8 trillion managed. Fidelity, more than $4 trillion. UBS, more than 4. Then we have Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and so on and so forth. The big guys. And if everybody just put a fraction of their assets into Bitcoin, this can actually push up Bitcoin price quite a lot. And therefore, what I'm saying here, or what my point is, that could this be, what do you think about this? Could this be really a life-changing opportunity for the average person? Because, you know, what's happening usually? People, the rich guys, you know, they're somewhere in the top, the cream, they get the opportunity, they have the money, and they never miss anything important. They are there on time. But the average guy is usually, you know, somewhere, you know, parking at the side and missing the great opportunities, and then later, just later, get the opportunity to join. But now Bitcoin, it's available for everybody. It was always like this. It was available for everybody. It's a decentralized digital currency. And therefore, if people want to buy, they can buy it right now. And if this plays out, what I have just showed you, then it could be a great investment. Very important, not financially wise, not saying that it's going to play out like this 100%. No. We're not talking about this. We're talking about possibilities, what could happen. And I'm just curious about your opinion. What do you think about this? Is this really a lifetime opportunity? Is this the biggest scam ever, what we can see right now? Let me know in the comment section. But, you know, just think about it. Can BlackRock get this approval? When we're looking at the BlackRock's, you know, approval record, the chance is pretty high, according to Eric Balchunas, who is Bloomberg senior ETF analyst, saying that historically speaking, BlackRock has a mind-blowing success rate when it comes down to its ETF applications with the SEC. 575 approvals against a single rejected one. Will be this one the second one, or this is 99% whatever approval rate? It just going to get better. So the chance is pretty big because and you know, BlackRock is huge, and then the other is going to follow. So it's very, very interesting what's going to happen in the next couple of months, and after maybe in this next bull run, because it could be big. But you know, nothing is for granted, nothing is guaranteed. This is very, very important. You have to understand. There is huge risk involved in crypto, okay? But I just wanted to show it this for you guys, something to think about. Okay, second topic. The second topic is that the Bitcoin reaches 50% market dominance for first time in 2 years. So what we can see, that the market is right now shifting towards Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin reaches 50% market dominance for the first time in 2 years. So what you can see here recently, you know, since September 2022, this is how Bitcoin dominance grew. You know, then we had this significant drop here when altcoins performed better, and then Bitcoin is catching up quite heavily now. And as you can see, we have reached more than 50% at the moment, more than 50% right now. So when we're looking at the market cap of crypto, then we can see that it's a bit more than $1 trillion US, and more than the half of it is right now in Bitcoin. And as you can see, especially here from the 5th of June, but then obviously on the 10th of June, when we had this huge altcoin dump, a lot of investors moved their money into Bitcoin. And with this application from BlackRock, it's also pushing it towards Bitcoin right now. So could be that in the next couple of months, Bitcoin will be safe. And then, of course, always when things, you know, chill a little bit, then altcoins can come back. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Also, in the comment section, you can write it down. But this is what we can see right now. And, you know, when we're looking at, you know, Bitcoin, a lot of time it goes together with NASDAQ. This is what we have seen before. And actually, NASDAQ went up 43% just in this year. And actually, it's minus 10% from its all-time high, which it was back in November 2021. So can NASDAQ actually reach this year its new all-time high? Or this will be postponed to next year because of this situation what we have right now in the US, recession feeling and so on and so forth. Okay, we will see, but Nasdaq is also coming up pretty nicely. Okay, third topic. It's all about Binance's BNB chain, which introduces a layer 2 testnet, which is actually powered by optimism. Okay, so scalability. This is what Binance is hoping from this introduction here. Binance's BNB chain introduces a layer 2 testnet, and it is actually powered by optimism. Therefore, we can see now optimism going up a little bit. At least it's in the top 3 right now. Okay, so Binance, founded a layer 1 blockchain, BNB chain, has introduced a new layer 2 chain. And it will address its scalability challenge. So basically, the system is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible layer 2 chain, which means it works with Ethereum-based smart contracts, network, and ERC20 token standards. And, BNB chain currently claims around 2,000 transactions per second with transaction cost of around 10 cents. But OPBNB can support over 4,000 transactions per second, and average transaction cost is lower than $0.005 US dollar. So obviously, if this works out, it can help make it faster, so the scalability, and also cheaper, which is the main thing when it comes to the use case of a blockchain. So anyway, this is now something new, and we will see how this works out, which layer 2 going to be here the winner, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, you would like to get the short videos, these longer videos with more details, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you won't miss a single important thing. Subscribe button all. That's important, because then you will get the notifications as soon as this new video is out. Today I'm coming with another short videos as well, and then see you in the next one. And don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Have a good one. Bye-bye.